I am Gina Padinaigo. I'm 71 years old. Live in Barangay Mahiyahay, Poro Club and Devotion. I stayed here since I was 10 years old. Since I stayed here for quite some time, there was a very big difference from the previous years because there were little improvements, not compared today. The year 2020 na, 2025, there are more business establishments. We have plenty of government buildings installed at Purok Bayangihan. We have already a gymnasium, and we also have for our children, little children, we have at least more or less for toddlers, sponsored by the Department of Social Services and Development. And we have still our Iligan City National High School, where I graduated. There are many ways we apply the Bayanihan style. Like for example, cleaning our DNA, cleaning our surroundings, and participating in our barangay activities, especially Araw ng Mahiyay and Fiesta. Of course, there are so many changes because during my time, when I was still a little bit younger, our Purok, especially Davao Devotion, join together when there are barangay activities, and most of the time, our Purok is tops in all the activities, like for example, singing, both children and adult, dancing, children and adult, and our spiritual activity is very active. In the previous years, our chapel is not quite good, but up to the present, it looks very nice and well improved. Like for example, when you ask for activities regarding our youth, there are so many things to do. Like for example, participating in our spiritual activities, like the GSK, including the younger youth. Then joining in our barangay activities, especially together with our colleagues, the barangay, and giving assistance to our neighbors when necessary, especially our elderly. And joining our younger youth, if still capable of giving your knowledge to them. And that's all.